Navy says it has no other choice but to dismantle its grounded minesweeper onto Bataha Reef. The wooden-hulled USS Guardian has been stranded on the reef since last January 17. According to the U.S. Navy, lifting the entire ship with giant floating cranes to deeper water or onto another ship poses a greater risk to the reef. More from Noel Perfecto.
The Interagency Task Force on Bataha continues to look for ways to extract the USS Guardian warship that ran aground at Bataha Reef. There are many suggestions, but the United States Navy says it has decided to just dismantle the minesweeping vessel. Earlier, the Interagency Task Force looked into the possibility of lifting the USS Guardian using giant floating cranes and transferring it to a big ship or placing it on a floating barge and eventually taking it beneath the sea. But the U.S. Navy rejected the idea because this might further damage the Bataha Reef. That's why the U.S. Navy would dismantle the warship. A private group reacted to the planned move of the U.S. Navy. The group said the dismantling of the U.S. minesweeper might further destroy the Bataha Reef. The group also said that the damage would be minimal if the warship was just retrieved. U.S. Navy officials disregarded this. That's why the U.S. Navy might push through with the dismantling of the USS Guardian. The Interagency Task Force Bataha awaits the start of the said operation. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.